So imagine you were born as twins. But here's the twist. Your twin brother or your twin sister is actually your half sibling. Yeah, you heard me right. Half sibling. You only share a mother. You have different fathers. You're asking how this is possible. Well, let me take you to Denmark, where two twin brothers, Marcus and Lucas, were born to Charlotte. And so a DNA analysis was done. And surprisingly, Marcus had a different father and Lucas had a different father. Marcus was fathered by Michael, Charlotte's ex-husband. And then Lucas was fathered by Tommy, Charlotte's new boyfriend. She slept with Tommy and within 48 hours had a fling with the ex-husband, Michael. And so both of them had their sperms fertilizing their eggs and she became pregnant with twins. Now, the second story is in Brazil where a 19-year-old teenager gave birth to her first twins. And so a DNA analysis was done and it was realized that both of the twins had different fathers. She now recounted that, yeah, on that day she had sex with two different men on the same day, same day. Now, I know the big question is, can this even okay? Is it humanly possible? Can occur under two scenarios. The first one is what we call superfetation, and the other scenario is what we call superfecundation. So in your regular menstrual cycle, a woman is supposed to release one egg. If it gets fertilized, it's pregnant. If it doesn't get fertilized, it comes out as menstrual blood. And yeah, I mean, you know the story. But here's the twist. What if in one cycle, a woman produces two eggs? It could be from the same ovary or from each of the ovaries. Finally, there are two eggs in the tubes and she has sex and two sperms fertilize these two eggs. I mean, this is what we normally see in the usual fraternal or dizygotic twins where the father has two of his sperms fertilizing two of the mother's eggs and then they settle in the womb as, fraternal twins, twins that do not look alike, unidentical twins. But of course, they are same mother, same father. I know you are getting where I'm going to. So what if these two sperms belong to two different men? Yes. So if you had sex with two different men on either the same day or separate days, yes, those two sperms can fight their way and fertilize these two separate eggs released by the woman in that same cycle. This is what we call superfecundation. Now let's move into the second scenario where you have two eggs released in different cycles. So one egg is released this month, that egg gets fertilized, the woman gets pregnant, and for some weird reason she's able to release another ovulate again in the next cycle. And this new egg is fertilized by another sperm. If it's fertilized by a sperm from a different man because he had a sexual encounter with another man, of course, these two eggs which have been fertilized separate times, a month apart, can both implant. There's theoretically a possibility because the what we call decidual space completely closes after 12 good weeks. And so it can be about a month or 2 or 3 months apart where you've had sex with different men. And if unfortunately you ovulate within those times, you can still get pregnant. That's why you're actually pregnant. So these are the two scenarios under which this rare phenomenon can occur: superfetation and superfecundation. Yeah, heard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in the next episode, and I'm out.